Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Zelensky announces deployment of Ukrainian military specialists to Middle East to assist regional partners in countering Iranian drones. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky announced Wednesday that Ukraine will send military specialists to the Middle East to assist in countering Iranian drones and missiles. The decision comes as regional tensions rise amid ongoing military exchanges involving Iran and its adversaries. Zelensky said Ukrainian experts will support efforts to defend against drone and missile threats affecting several countries in the region. The move follows consultations with international partners and leaders of states neighboring Iran. In a post on the social platform X, Zelensky said he had instructed several senior officials to prepare assistance plans. He wrote that he tasked Ukraine's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Defense, Intelligence Agencies and the Secretary of the National Security and Defense Council of Ukraine to present options for assisting the relevant countries and to provide aid in a way that does not weaken our own defense. The Ukrainian leader warned that Iran has significantly escalated its use of missile and drone attacks in recent days. According to Zelensky, these weapons have become a major factor affecting both regional security and global economic stability. In just a few days, Iran has launched over 800 missiles of various types and more than 1,400 attack drones. It is Iranian drones and missiles that pose the main threat to free navigation, destabilizing global prices for oil, petroleum products, and gas, he wrote. Zelensky said he has been coordinating closely with partners in Europe and the United States while also holding discussions with regional leaders. He confirmed conversations with officials from the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Jordan and Bahrain, and said additional talks with Kuwait and other countries in the region are planned. He also noted that several countries in the Middle East are facing threats similar to those experienced by Ukraine during Russia's invasion. All of them face a serious challenge and speak openly about it. Iranian attack drones are the same shards that have been striking our cities, villages, and our Ukrainian infrastructure throughout this war, Zelensky added. Iran's Delta-winged Shard 136 drones have been widely used by Russian forces during the war in Ukraine. The relatively inexpensive systems, estimated to cost about $50,000 each to produce, have become a growing challenge in the current US-Israeli conflict with Iran. According to reports, the drones have struck several U.S. regional partners including the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and Jordan. Tehran has used these attacks as part of a broader effort to target Gulf countries aligned with Washington or hosting American military forces. U.S. officials have warned that the drones present a significant challenge to American defenses. During a closed-door briefing on Capitol Hill on Tuesday, officials from the Trump administration told lawmakers that air defense systems cannot detect and intercept every drone because they often fly at low altitude and slow speeds. The threat has also forced U.S. forces to expend expensive and difficult-to-replace munitions. At the same time, some drones have penetrated defenses and damaged bases, ports and critical infrastructure when air defenses become overwhelmed. A recent attack highlighted the danger posed by the systems. A drone strike in Kuwait on Sunday killed 6 U.S. service members. Ukraine has developed extensive experience defending against Shard drones during Russia's invasion. Russian forces have used the aircraft to target Ukrainian cities, infrastructure, and military positions since the fall of 2022. Zelensky said Ukrainian specialists deployed to the Middle East will operate directly in the region. He added that coordination efforts are already underway. We are ready to help protect lives, defend civilians, and support real efforts to stabilize the situation and, in particular, restore safe navigation in the region, he said. The Ukrainian president also urged international partners to increase pressure on Iran. He called on the European Union, European countries and the Group of Seven to take active measures both in dismantling the Iranian regime's terrorist capabilities and in protecting lives in the region and global stability. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.